Are you allergic to pee? Okay, tada.
Hi, I'm Skylar Forkblade.
Hi, I'm Asher Forkblade
Today I'm gonna read Pigs Make Me Sneeze
by Mo Williams.
Gerald,
Dum, dum, dum.
what do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat. True.
他想要个 chew.
Are you okay? Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. I achoo. I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
Wow, wow.
Wah, 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 wah.
But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And if Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thump. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.
The end.
好，3、2、1。
为什么闻到屁味？
闻到屁味，变成闻到
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Minecraft channel that is coming up. Bye bye.
Bye, Minecraft channel.
Okay, stop saying Minecraft channel.